Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys my self-tanning routine. So I feel like self-tanner is a staple for most girls, whether it's summertime or wintertime. It's just nice to have a little extra color, a little extra glow. It just makes you look and feel a little bit better. But if you guys have been following me for a while, ever since about a year ago, I started ditching and switching out all of my products, whether that's makeup, personal care, skincare, hair care, all of that stuff. I started switching out for non-toxic alternatives, and it's taken me a while. I've done it gradually, but I could not find a whole lot of non-toxic self-tanners that I loved. If you see Rosie in the back, say hi, she's just chilling. I have been on the hunt for a good non-toxic self-tanner, and I finally found one. There are some good options out there, but the one that I'm going to be sharing with you today I absolutely love. There actually are more options out there than I originally thought, because I remember I asked you guys on Instagram and you did give me a lot of good feedback. A lot of the non-toxic self-tanners that are out there though are lotions, and I am totally like a mousse self-tanner kind of girl. I just prefer those so much more. I can work with them better. I think they just are easier to apply in my opinion. So when I found the one that I'm going to be talking about today, I was so excited. So the self-tanner that I am obsessed with and have been using for the past couple months now is EcoTan. So I absolutely love this. It is totally natural. It's made from organic ingredients. It's also vegan. It's just a really good, clean, non-toxic, natural self-tanning product. And it really works. This is not sponsored in any way. Full disclosure, I was sent this and one other product which I will get to and I love, but I would have bought this anyway because there were just so many good reviews about it. People were raving about it. I saw it all over Instagram and I was just dying to try it. So when they sent it to me, I was so excited, and I think that it totally lives up to the hype. As far as just like a tanning mousse in general, I think it works just as good as the one that I used to use. It does give you a pretty deep tan, and it's like it's a good color. Like, I don't feel like I look orange. I feel like it just looks like a natural tan. And if you're anything like me, you try and avoid sun exposure. I really only like it in small doses. I'm not someone who really like lays out for hours on end at the beach or a pool or anything like that. I pretty much like to hang out in the shade so I can protect my skin, but I do obviously want to be tan. So this is what I've been using, and what I will do is I just have this little tanning mitt. I got this in like a 2-pack off Amazon, super cheap. I can link this down below. And what I will do is I will just take my tanning mitt, I will put a couple pumps, and then I will just kind of rub it all over my legs, arms, stomach, whole body pretty much. The only thing I don't really tan is like my lower back. But I just use like circular motions and just make sure to really blend it out really well and just kind of get it everywhere so that it looks super natural and not streaky or anything like that. And as long as you use the mitt and you are just like, careful when you're applying it, I find that it goes on so well. It's not streaky and it stays on pretty well. Like, it takes like a good probably week for it to like start to break down and like get a little splotchy, and at that point I would just scrub it off and start over. And when I do apply this, it's always after I get out of the shower and shave and exfoliate, because you want to make sure you're getting off any like extra tan that's left over, and also if you're taking off the dead skin that's on the top layer of your skin, it's just going to soak in even better and just be that much more effective. So that is what I use on my body. I absolutely love it. This product is like originally it's made in Australia, but you can get it in the US, and I believe last time I checked you can get it on Amazon, which is perfect because you can just prime it, which is the best. Okay, then I have one other product I want to talk about. So when it comes to self-tanner, I never self-tan my face. I just do my whole body, including my neck, and then I just leave my face bare. And when I put makeup on, I use bronzer or whatever to warm up my skin, and that's just how I've always done it. But now I have this product, which is from the same brand, EcoTan, and it is their face tan water. You guys, this stuff is amazing. I am so happy that I have this now, because you can get a nice little glow on your face, and this is totally natural. It's made from, it has like hyaluronic acid, orange peel, rose, geranium, and it says on the front, no hidden nasties. It is just a very simple, natural, clean product, and it does work. So it's literally just like a water. I kind of use it as like a toner. So when I first got this, I was watching there's like some tutorials on YouTube on how people use it, and a lot of people would just like put some on a cotton ball and then put it on their face like they would a toner to like cleanse, you know, your skin to be cleansed, like no moisturizer or anything like that. And then once it dries down, you can moisturize. So I tried that and it did not work for me. Like my skin did not look any different. I would wake up the next day so excited because I put on at night. Wake up the next day so excited to see if my face looks like it has a glow, and it didn't look any different. So that method, just for some reason, I don't know if it's my skin or what, but it doesn't work for me. But what I do is I just put a little bit in the palm of my hand, and then with my hands I will apply it directly to my skin after I wash my face at night. And I am pretty generous with it, and I say generous, I've used it so many times and the bottle is like still full. Like a little bit does go a long way, but I guess I'm generous in that I don't use you put it on a cotton ball. I just apply it directly, you know, with my fingers, and I just make sure to blend it out really well and just get a nice good layer on my face. And then I just let it completely dry. I usually do this at night, so I will go on to floss and brush my teeth, and by the time I'm done with that, it is totally dry. And then I love that I can just go in and moisturize my face like normal, because a lot of times when you use self-tanning products on your face, like I know if I've gotten spray tans in the past, they say don't put anything on your face, and I just don't like going to bed with dry, tight skin. Like I love moisturizing my skin before bed. It just feels so good, and I feel like my skin loves it. So I love that with this, I don't have to skip out on that. I can just put my regular, you know, skincare on for the night, and I don't need to forego that just to get tan. So I do use this more on a regular basis. This I use more like once a week-ish, maybe twice a week if I, you know, want to apply it again. But with this, I use it almost every night, just kind of like as in place of my toner, and it really does make a difference. Even like the other night, Matt was like, I had no makeup on and we were about to go to bed, and Matt was like, your face looks really tan, and I was like, it does? I was so excited. So this stuff definitely does work. If he noticed, you know that there was definitely a significant difference, because he's a guy and he doesn't notice those things. So this is, again, the face tan water, and then this is the cacao tanning mousse, and they are both awesome. Love, love, love. I totally recommend them, and I will link them down below. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and hearing about my self-tan routine. It is super simple. I love how easy it is. I love that it's totally non-toxic, and it makes my skin look really tan and glowy, and you just can't beat that. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below if you have tried any of the EcoTan products, or if you just have a favorite non-toxic self-tanner in general. I would love to know. But yeah, so that is it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel here on YouTube, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter where we are. Doesn't matter, no.